Let's look at this NECO question 2025. Evaluate log 8 to base 5 plus log 9 to base 5 minus log 2 to base 5. Now, to solve this question, we are going to apply some logarithm rules. And those are what? The multiplication and the division rules. So let's see. If you have log m n, which is the multiplication. So this is going to give us log m plus log n. And if you have log m over n division, this one will give us log m minus n. So that is what we are going to do. So you can see, if you look at this, this is what you have. Then if you look at this also, we have this. So we take it back to this form. So let's see how we apply that to solve this question. So you have log 8 to base 5 plus log 9 to base 5 minus log 2 to base 5. Now, what do we do now? Bring them together. You have log 8 times 9. That is the multiplication law. So, to base 5. Then, this minus, that's for the division. So, we have all over 2. So, we can put them like this. So, if I apply those rules. Now, 2 is common. So, 2 here 1, 2 here 4. Now, we can say 4 times 9, that is 36. So, to base 5. Now, this 36 can be expressed in an index form. So, we can have it as log 6 to the power of 2 to base 2, or to base 5. So, now, this, we transfer it back here. So, we are going to have 2 log 6 to base 5. And that is the solution to this problem. So if you look at the options, the correct option there is option C. I hope you got this. Like, share, and follow for more. See you next time.